Here we have an alpha bird of prey protecting the nest at all costs. It thrives at high ground, spying for any potential threat to its nest. He steadies himself. With senses finally attuned, he hears and feels the potential threat. No match for this superior species, but a fellow bird of prey enters, swooping in, staking their claim for the nest. Now the dance between two creatures at the top of their food chain begins. The nest protected once again. But it is migration season, and it must leave its home for shelter against the upcoming storm.